Dare to Dream 2017, the paper slideshow. What I learned in Math on Mars was how to find the distance rate and delay. To find the distance rate, you times angle and your distance rate slope, and then you multiply 1000. To get your delay, you divide your scale and your speed slope, and then you multiply 1000. What I learned in robotics was how to program my robot to do a straight line, also a 90-degree angle, and a curve. I got to accomplish the mini challenge with my partner, which was just trying to make a very straight line. I also got to experience a cougar mountain, which is a cougar mountain track. What I also learned in spectrometer was I got to build it. What you need is clear index shaped as a square, duct tape and blue tape, 2 foils, laser cut cardboard, which 2 rectangle and a triangle, and then there's another picture of my spectrometer.
In robotics class, we learned how to program the robot to move with different angles. We we had the right forward at 100 and left backward at 95, and you always have to change the delay so you can make it go right and make it go to the right angles to pass through the whole obstacle course without bumping into things.
Alright, in robotics, we had to program the robots to make it through a course with the name of Cougar Mountain. Is pretty much the computer. You just add angles or delay time to time the spin of that your robot does. And Dare to Dream is probably the best thing that has ever happened to me because it opens up opportunities.
Esta semana estuvimos haciendo ecuaciones y algunas gráficas. También estuvimos trabajando en los que son buscando los ángulos y para poder después controlar el robot para que caminara bien en la pista.
Bueno, primeramente, esta semana estuvo muy interesante, aprendimos muchas cosas, pero lo que más me llamó la atención fue el robotics, porque nos enseñaron a programar el robot, a cómo hacer una línea recta, un ángulo para hacer un ángulo de 90 grados y así.
In Math on Mars, I learned how to find the slope, and I wrote down the equation for the slope and the intercept form, and then I drew an example for you, and then it has a graph and then the table, and I jotted down the points for the equation, and I got the slope to be 1, and then I substituted that into the equation, and I got y equals 1x plus 1.
So what I learned in this full week of Dare Dream, I learned about robotics. So in that class I learned how to change the delays. We tried our best to complete that challenge. We learned how to work as a team and to never give up. In Math and in Mars, I learned how to solve for m equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Learn how to measure the angle and measure the line of the project for the robot. In Spectrum, I learned how to build the spectrum and how to make it work. I learned how to work as a team and ask questions, learned the equation, sin, cos, and tan.
Aprendimos muchas cosas como mover un robot. Como aquí se muestra, ese robot está caminando como una línea. Lo que hicimos fue sacamos las medidas de cuántos segundos iba a caminar y todo eso. Y sacamos la medida y de ahí le sacamos la velocidad y las millas por segundo. Y en la gráfica, pues aprendí bien muchas cosas porque antes no sabía cómo hacer una gráfica. Te dan los números o tú tienes que hacer el tiempo, el ángulo y de ahí tienes que buscar cómo poner cualquier número abajo del tiempo y de ahí con los números que te dieron tienes que buscarle y nomás solo poner el punto donde tiene que estar y pues eso fue todo lo que aprendimos. Muchas gracias.